I'm going to show you how to do a basic bind off. To begin, knit 2 stitches. That's 1, 2. Now that you've knit 2 stitches, use the tip of your left needle to insert it into the front of the rightmost stitch on your right needle. Gently pull it up and over that left stitch on the right needle and off the right needle. You've bound off 1 stitch. Now knit 1. Once again, we have 2 stitches on the right needle, so I'm going to use the tip of my left needle to pick up that rightmost stitch, gently pull it up and over the left stitch and off the right needle. We've bound off 2. Once again, knit 1. Here we are with 2 stitches on our right needle. Use the left needle to bind 1 off. There we go. Continue in this fashion until just 1 stitch remains on your right needle. Okay, now that I just have 1 stitch left on my right needle, I'm going to gently pull up. I'm going to remove the needle. I'm going to keep pulling my working yarn up a fair amount. And now I can cut my working yarn, leaving about a 6 to 8 inch tail. And here we have a fully bound off edge. You can see that this basic bind off creates kind of what looks like a sideways row of knit stitches. You have those V's, but they're running this way. That's it. That's a basic bind off.